Are you looking to take your energy storage business to the next level? At PTR, we understand the significance of staying ahead in the ever-evolving energy landscape. Introducing PTR's Energy Storage Market Analysis, your key to unlocking energy solutions that can transform your operations. With data-driven reports, we provide you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions. From North America to Europe, we monitor energy storage developments worldwide. Key features of the service include recent project developments around the world, competitive analysis at the global, regional, and country-specific level, technologies dominating the stationary storage landscape, collaborators across the value chain. Visit ptr.inc to learn more and transform your energy storage solutions today. Embrace innovation, navigate growth, and energize your success. Contact us today to learn how PTR can help you navigate the energy storage landscape.